memorandum read out kuru. A memorandum submitted to the Honorable Deputy Commissioner Raha Nagaon through the officer in charge Raha Police Station, submitted by ARCA, all riders, allied riders, Royal Karbi Anglong Motorcycle Club, NGOs and other youth and social organizations. To the Deputy Commissioner Raha Nagaon through the officer in charge Raha Police Station Nagaon, dated 1st May 2021. Subject: immediate justice and a fair trial to be conducted in the alleged murder of late Sumila Ronghangpi of Karbi Anglong. Respected Sir, Madam, with the reference to the above cited subject, we, the allied Royal Riders of Karbi Anglong, comprising of Karbi Anglong Motorcycle Club, Wojaru, Jambli Motorcycle Club, Bulls of Assam, Difu Chapter, Nokbe Motorcycle Club, Ari Brothers of Nagaland, Motorheads United Nagaon, Jotel Riders Manipur, Royal Motors Manipur, Gesture of Love and Warmth NGO, Rengharpa Welfare Society NGO, and Youth and Social Organization, Karbi Sweden Association, Sweden, Karbi Sweden Union, Langfe Residenza Teran, Karbi Anglong Social Security Association, Assam Jatiya Yuva Chhatra Parishad have the honor to state that the gruesome and unfortunate incident happened on the 21st April 2021, in which a 12-year-old domestic helper girl named Let Sumila Ronghangpi was raped, burned and charred to death by the house owner Mr. Prakash Borthakur and his son Mr. Nayan Jyoti Borthakur of Raha Nagaon. That, Sir, Madam, the deceased victim was belonged to the poor family from West Karbi Anglong, unable to afford the education expenses by the family. She was sent to Raha at Borthakur residence, assuring to provide proper education, and she took to help them in domestic work. But as learned, she had failed to receive the basic education, and she also been allegation by the State Assam Commissioner for Protection of Children's Rights, PCR, that she had been sexually assaulted by her murderer. This horrific incident had shocked the entire state of Assam as well as the nation, supporting the victim for justice by individual, NGO, social organization and responsible citizen. Therefore, we would like to lay down a few following demands in regard to the justice of late Sumila Ronghangpi. Number one, let the CBI take in charge of the investigation instead of the one-man army committee led by Siri Mole Bora IAS. Point 2. Let the free trial and unbiased justice for the hearing to be held at Hamdan District Court. Number 3. Since the family victim is under the BPL, the economic compensation of the deceased along with all the expenses related to legal procedures should be borne by the state government. Number 4. Under the POSCO Act 2021, Child and Adolescent Labor Act 1986, Care and Protection of Children Act 2015, many more domestic helpers brought from Karbi Anglong should be immediately identified and rescued. We hope and look forward to have a strong judgment so that such inhuman and heinous crimes shall be prevented in future. Thanking you. Yes, sincerely yours. We have Sam Bay, Chief Karbi Anglong Motorcycle Club, Convener of ARCA, Rabindra Rongchehan, Jamli Motorcycle Club, Vedanta Bormaila, Motorheads, Nagaon, Teju Dera, Jambili Chief, Johnny Teron, Bulls of Assam, Difu Chapter, Said Haq, Luit Riders, Assam, Apurva Das, AJYCP, Karbi Anglong District, Sanju Tokbi, President LRNA, Mohan Intikatha, Vice President KSA, Rostam Ronghar, President KSU, Harlong Biteron, Gesture of Love and Welfare. Thank you.
No justice! No!